Thanks for tuning in. Gearbest has kindly sent us out an Anet or an Anet A8 3D printer. So what we're going to do, an unboxing video, have a look, see what's in the box. Also going to do a sort of build guide, step by step, from start to finish. We'll also do some print settings and see how the prints come out, and hopefully give you some hints and tips on how to work this printer, and maybe some upgrades. That might be the first choice of something to design and 3D print on this machine. The interesting thing will be about this is it's aimed towards the hobbyist side of it. It's nice and cheap to buy. I'll put a link in the description. So it'd be interesting to see how easy this is to set up for somebody who knows nothing about 3D printers. And I'm literally going to build this from the instruction manual that's on the website listing for the 3D printer. It's a fairly hefty manual, so we'll see how well or how easy it is to build going by that instruction manual. Also got a parts list, so yeah, we'll take it from there. I've got quite a few 3D printers. I've got some pretty expensive ones. I've been designing 3D printed designs now for quite a long time. Mechanical engineer and designer by trade, so yeah, it'd be interesting to see how this little printer is and what sort of quality you can expect from it. So yeah, like I say, Gearbest sent this out for me to do a review. I am going to do an honest review on it. I'm not going to do any biased review on it or anything whatsoever. So yeah, we'll take it from there. We'll get you in on the bench for a bit of a closer look, and we'll get it open and see what's in there. Put that to one side, and then we've got the box. So this is exactly what you'll get if you buy it on the link in the description. Let's have a look. Okay. That's interesting. Looks like you actually get tools with it. Some wire cutters. Yeah, a little posi screwdriver. Set of Allen keys and a spanner, and another little posi driver. What looks to be the bed platform. Nice, strong, made out of aluminium. Still got the sealing on as well. It's nice. And we've also got the heat bed. It's a nice. Oh, it's even got a aluminium covering on the opposite side of the heat bed. We've got a cable. We won't be using that because that is an EU plug, I think. So I can go in the bin. I did ask when I asked them to send them out if they could send out the UK plug version, but they didn't have it in stock at the time, so I just said send it out anyway because I'll have a lead that'll do the job. Got a bag of screws, some end stops. They look to be the NEMA stepper connectors, wires, and that's probably a power wire. Oh, we've got some sample PLA that we can do a first test print on. We've also got some bearing blocks, and they're proper blocks as well, which is a lot better than what normally comes with a box standard sort of DIY 3D printer. It's normally just a linear bearing, but that's actually the bearing inside a block itself. We've got some PVC parts and another little assembly type thing. That to one side. And the next layer down we have the controller with a LCD, and this looks like it's the main controller, which looks to be a pretty good Pretty nice little setup actually. Even the drivers have got their own heat sinks, which is good. And we have heat sink, and looks like a 20 by 20 mil fan guard, toothed belt, a USB connector, a little dongle with a small micro SD card in there. This looks like all the frame parts. That looks like I think that's actually a spool holder that comes with it, and then there's some more parts in there. Look like the main frame there. Let's get that one out of the way. Right, we've got some rods, threaded bar. They look to be trapezial rods as well, so it's not just a threaded bar that's going to guide these the X, Y and Z axis. It's a proper trapezial rod, which is good. Some rods look like they're hardened steel, and we've got a box of some sort on the bottom here. That's a PSU, that's your power supply unit. Cable tidy and cable zip ties stuff. Some more plastic parts in the bottom there. These look like they're the Z. Oh, that's interesting. These are actually moulded plastic, and with the ball screw or the trapezial rod bearing sort of block. They're nice touch that is. We've got another fan on the bottom here, which is like a ducted fan with a little 3D printed plastic part there. So that'll probably be the blower for the actually onto the 3D printed part to cool it down. Hot end looks to be, that's interesting. I think you could or should be able to print flexible filament with that, which isn't always the case with all 3D printers, so we'll give that a try when we've got it built. We've got the stepper motors in here, which are already got the couplers on there for the trapezial rods, and they're all labelled up with which is which as well, which is nice. Should be a pretty quick build really, to be honest. I think that's the bottom layer. Yep, so that's what you get in the box. So pretty complete, to be honest. Even right through to the tools. I don't even think you'd need any other tools than that. Maybe a soldering iron. You probably won't even need that, to be honest. But yeah, all in all, that looks good. So next video we will start the build. So yeah, build video 1.